Good morning, students. Today we'll try to discuss about motion of a body on horizontal surface. Consider a body of mass m resting on the horizontal surface. So in this topic, we'll try to calculate the acceleration possessed by the body, the distance traveled by the body before coming to rest position, and time taken by the body to come to rest position, and work done on the body. So first, we'll try to consider a body of mass m moving on a horizontal surface. That means it is sliding. So whenever it is sliding, we know that in opposite direction there will be kinetic frictional force. So first we'll try to discuss about the forces acting on the body on a horizontal surface. The weight of the body W is equal to mg will be acting vertically downwards. The normal reaction R is equal to mg, that will be balancing the weight in the vertically upward direction. The kinetic frictional force will be acting in opposite direction to motion of the body, and this kinetic frictional force will be decreasing the acceleration of the body, that is indicated by Fk is equal to mu k r. R is the normal reaction on horizontal surface, so R can be written as mg. So Fk is equal to mu k into mg. So due to this kinetic frictional force, the acceleration of the body will be decreasing. So we are calling it as negative acceleration or deceleration or retardation. So that retardation can be calculated by the formula A is equal to minus Fk by m. Minus indicates that frictional force is in opposite direction to motion of body. So we can write A is equal to minus mu k mg by m. Mm will be cancelled. So acceleration is equal to minus mu k g. So the acceleration of a body moving on horizontal surface is A is equal to minus mu k g. Now second one, we have to calculate the displacement of the body before it is coming to rest position. So if you are observing the diagram, in that the initial velocity of the body is u is equal to u. Final velocity of the body is v equal to 0. And acceleration, already we have calculated that a is equal to minus mu kg. And how much distance it is traveling, we know that s is equal to question mark. So we use the third equation of motion, that is v square minus u square is equal to 2as. So in that substituting the values, so 0 minus u square equal to 2as. So minus u square equal to 2 into substituting the value of a, that is minus mu kg into s. So minus u square equal to minus 2 into mu kgs. So minus minus will be cancelled. So you can write s equal to u square by 2 mu kg. So if you want to calculate the displacement of the body before it is coming to rest, the equation is s equal to u square by 2 mu kg. Coming to third one, how much time it is taking to come to rest position, that is time taken to come to rest position. So in this also, if you are observing the diagram, the conditions are u equal to u, v equal to 0 and a equal to minus mu kg and time t equal to question mark. Use the first equation of motion, that is v equal to u plus at, substituting the values is equal to u plus of minus mu kg into t. So t is equal to, we can write it as u by mu kg. So time taken to come to rest position is t equal to u by mu kg. And fourth one, that is work done by frictional force. So work done is nothing but the retardation force into displacement. The retardation force is nothing but F is equal to mu k into r, because it is in opposite direction to motion of the body. So here W is equal to F into S. So W is equal to mu k into mg into s. So w is equal to, here we can write it as mu k mg into s value already we calculated, displacement u square by 2 mu k into g. So w is equal to, we can write it as half mu square.